Hey guys, it's been a while since the oil leak video that I did on the E46, and I just wanted to show you, give you a follow-up, and show you that we're good. I mean, everything is bone dry under here. I'm not actually gonna take the plate off because I don't want to, but everything's bone dry under here. There's no more oil all over everything. I swear I have not prepped this or cleaned anything. I only see a little tiny bit of wetness on that bottom bolt right there, that little bolt right there. That's about all I see, and I can live with that. But for the most part, this is fixed. I don't have a huge, massive leak under here anymore. I don't have the whole thing covered with oil and getting back on the exhaust there and everything getting all messed up under here. It's all good. So, yes, we were victorious in that last video.